Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by selecting a surface and testing a small area. This prevents surprises. Once done, clean the area with 70% isopropyl or mild soap and let it dry completely for 30 to 60 seconds so the adhesive bonds. Next, position the sticker without removing the backing. Align edges using a ruler or scrap paper as a guide. Press lightly in the center to tack it down, and then smooth outward to remove bubbles, because early alignment saves rework. Now you'll execute the detailed application steps for a clean finish. Use a squeegee or a stiff card and apply firm, even strokes from the center outward to force air out and ensure full contact. For large decals, make a hinge with low-tack tape so you can lift and reposition precisely. This prevents misalignment. If you're covering curved or textured areas, warm the adhesive briefly with a hairdryer while stretching gently, and trim any excess with a sharp craft knife. Finish by sealing edges where needed with clear laminate or a light spray sealer to extend lifespan, especially on high-wear items. Once sealed, press firmly and remove any remaining tiny bubbles. If a bubble persists, lift gently to the nearest edge and reapply, or very carefully prick it with a sterile needle and smooth outward. If things go wrong, most issues occur from dirt or moisture. Reclean the area and reapply, and make sure to avoid long direct sun or heavy moisture for the first 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.